Please try this easy and very healthy corn pakoda. Prepared in air fryer. Please try, and I am sure you would love this. Take 2 cups canned corn. 1 cup rice flakes poho or oats. Blend it. Add 2 medium boiled mashed potatoes, 2 chopped broccoli florets, 2 chopped green chillies, 2 medium finely chopped onions, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 2 tablespoon rice flour. Mix well. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix well. Grease palm with oil and make this size. Apply olive oil in preheated air fryer. Set for 18 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, apply olive oil. Keep on flipping after each 5 minutes. Once ready, take this out. You would really love this amazing corn pakoda. Thanks for watching.